This is the original intake tube that goes to the turbo, and this flange here is just hard plastic and it slips over the turbo inlet, and over time it vibrates, expands, and of course you get a lot of air escaping from here, or the turbo sucking in air, unmetered air, because it's already past the MAF, which is why one of the first things you should do to your ACV or AJT is fit a hose clamp over this and tighten it up to try to seal that up. Very quick and easy mod. Slide this off. Don't even have to slide it off, just have to feed a hose clamp around here. This is the bulkhead. Tighten it up and seal that space up.